You ever come across a place that just feels like history the moment you arrive? Well, that's exactly what this property in Coosa County, Alabama is all about. 36 acres of peaceful countryside wrapped around a beautifully restored antebellum homestead dating back to the 1850s. This isn't just an old farmhouse, it's a living piece of Southern history that's been brought back to life with incredible care. The main dogtrot style home features 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, and everywhere you look, there's craftsmanship that tells a story. From the wood floors to the hand-finished details, it's authentic Alabama charm blended with modern comfort. The current owner has truly gone above and beyond. New roof, fresh paint inside and out, new electrical and plumbing, updated bathroom, a brand new back porch, and leveled floors. They even built an annexed 1 bedroom, 1 bath guest suite, complete with its own deck and an RV hookup, perfect for guests or extended family. Step outside, and this property really starts to shine. You've got open pasture, a storage shed, a barn, and right in the middle of it all, a serene 2-acre pond where you can fish, relax, or just enjoy a quiet Alabama sunset. The land is a mix of pine plantation and hardwood draw, giving you both natural beauty and potential income. It's the kind of property that lends itself to so many lifestyles, whether you're dreaming of a working homestead, a self-sufficient retreat, or just a private getaway surrounded by nature. And even though it feels like a world away, you're just minutes from Sylacauga and Flagg Mountain with endless outdoor adventures all around. This historic Coosa County estate is more than just land and a house. It's a labor of love, a preserved piece of history, and a chance to own something truly one of a kind here in Alabama.